Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of PC gaming graphics. We'll explore the latest GPU technologies that are revolutionizing the gaming industry. From powerful graphics cards to cutting-edge features, we'll take you on an immersive journey through the realm of visual excellence. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your gaming experience as we delve into the fascinating world of PC gaming graphics. So, let's get started. The importance of graphics in PC gaming. In this segment, we'll delve into why graphics play a vital role in PC gaming. We'll discuss how visuals in games are not just eye candy, but they contribute to the overall immersive experience. High-quality graphics enhance realism, detail, and depth, making games visually stunning and captivating. We'll explain how the evolution of graphics technology has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, allowing gamers to enter breathtaking virtual worlds. Whether you're a casual gamer or an esports enthusiast, the quality of your graphics can significantly impact your gameplay and overall enjoyment. Evolution of GPU technologies. In this segment, we'll take a trip down memory lane and explore the evolution of GPU technologies. We'll start by discussing the early days of 2D graphics and pixel art, highlighting the limitations and advancements that led to the birth of dedicated graphics processing units, GPUs. We'll dive into key milestones in GPU development, such as the introduction of hardware acceleration, shading techniques, and advanced rendering algorithms. We'll discuss how these advancements have shaped the gaming industry and paved the way for the visually stunning games we enjoy today. The rise of ray tracing. Ray tracing is one of the most significant advancements in recent years that has transformed game visuals. In this segment, we'll explore the concept of ray tracing and how it simulates the behavior of light in a virtual environment. We'll explain how ray tracing creates stunningly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, elevating the visual fidelity of games to new heights. We'll delve into the technical aspects of ray tracing, discussing the hardware requirements, software implementation, and impact it has on gaming performance. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the beauty of ray-traced graphics. Unleashing the power of DLSS. Deep Learning Super Sampling, DLSS, is another groundbreaking technology that has taken PC gaming by storm. In this segment, we'll explore how DLSS leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to upscale lower-resolution images in real time. We'll explain how DLSS delivers sharp and detailed visuals without compromising performance, leading to smoother gameplay and enhanced image quality. We'll discuss the benefits of DLSS, its compatibility with various games, and the impact it has on frame rates. Discover how DLSS is pushing the boundaries of gaming graphics and allowing players to experience games in unprecedented clarity and smoothness. The Battle of Graphics Cards. Graphics cards are the powerhouse behind visually stunning gaming experiences. In this segment, we'll delve into the realm of graphics cards and explore the top contenders in the market. We'll discuss renowned manufacturers such as NVIDIA and AMD, as well as specialized manufacturers who offer unique features and performance capabilities. We'll compare specifications, performance benchmarks, and the latest features of different graphics cards. Whether you're aiming for high frame rates, 4K gaming, or virtual reality experiences, we'll help you find the perfect graphics card that suits your gaming needs. Future trends and innovations. In this segment, we'll gaze into the future of PC gaming graphics and discuss the trends and innovations that are on the horizon. We'll explore emerging technologies like real-time global illumination, advanced anti-aliasing techniques, and virtual reality advancements. We'll discuss how these advancements will further enhance the visual fidelity and immersion in gaming. Additionally, we'll touch upon the importance of optimized software and driver support in maximizing the potential of graphics hardware. Get ready to envision the exciting possibilities that await gamers in the near future. Optimization tips for gaming graphics. To wrap up our journey, we'll provide practical optimization tips to enhance your gaming graphics that will cover essential settings to tweak in your games, such as resolution, graphics presets, anti-aliasing, and texture filtering. We'll discuss the importance of keeping your graphics drivers up to date and utilizing performance monitoring tools to fine-tune your gaming experience. These tips will help you strike the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance, ensuring an immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. As we conclude this extensive exploration of PC gaming graphics, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the technologies that drive visual excellence in gaming. From the importance of graphics in gaming to the evolution of GPU technologies, the rise of ray tracing and DLSS, and the battle of graphics cards, we've covered it all. We've also glimpsed into the future of gaming graphics and provided optimization tips to maximize your gaming experience. Remember, the world of PC gaming graphics is ever evolving, so stay tuned for the latest advancements and continue pushing the boundaries of visual excellence. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey through the world of PC gaming graphics. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep gaming, keep exploring, and keep embracing the breathtaking visuals that PC gaming has to offer. Until then, good luck, and peace.